All right, all right. This is Charles Diggs, and welcome to my channel where I talk about business strategies, having a good mindset about the business. And so I'm going to talk to you about successful solution method program. Okay. This is the particular program that I'm involved in, and I'm going to give you like a little sneak peek on how it works. Okay. I'm going to let you go. We'll go to the back office, and we're going to see how things are. Okay. So I'm going to share you my screen. But before that, I want you to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Like and subscribe to my channel. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start. I'm going to share you my screen. And let's see here. See this. Okay, this is successful solution methods back office. Okay, and usually when we first get here, all right, you're going to have a welcome video. So let's go ahead and play that. Okay.
What I want to do is make sure that you're off to a fast start with Successful Solution Method. It is very important that you watch the entire video, because what I'm going to do is take you through the different tabs that we have so you know exactly what to do and there's no confusion on what you need to do to get started. Not only that, by watching this video, it's going to make sure that you are set up for success so that you can start getting paid. You know how to get your traffic. You know the different tasks that are involved on a daily basis in order for you to start earning consistently online. This is a very easy and simple formula that we use in order for you to start earning consistently. Please do not overthink the process. I'm going to share with you step by step. And then all you need to do is go forward and implement what it is that I'm showing you to do. So,
okay, so now just like what she was saying, don't overthink the process. This particular website is very straightforward. Okay, and so that's once again, this is the welcome video. And so down here, right here, we got what is called the certain packages that you purchase. Okay, uh, and so they're different packages. We have the bronze package. Okay, uh, even though it doesn't say here, each each packet each packet that we have here has a certain price range. Okay, so like the bronze is like 125. The silver package right here is like 325. This is what I came in at. You also have the gold package, which is 500. The platinum, which is 1,000, and the diamond is 2,000. So each packet has something to offer. Okay, and when you go in to each packet, now, for example, if you go in at the gold package, then you're going to get all that's on the silver package and all that's in the bronze package. Okay, everybody actually starts here. Okay, so let me go and click on here. All right, and so this is where you really start here. So if you're a type of person that can follow instructions, this will be very helpful. And so what you do, everything is made given to you step by step. If you can follow instructions, then you'll be successful in this business. Okay, and it says, get started below. Okay, join successful solution method. We're excited for you. Stick with us because we are on a mission to help you achieve financial freedom. Okay, so, and that's true. They are there to help you with financial freedom. So the first thing you're going to do, right, is to join the Facebook community. Okay, you're going to join the Facebook community and see if I can show you that. Okay, this is our Facebook group. Okay, let me scroll down here. There's a lot of things that goes on in our Facebook group. We even have individuals that have not joined SSM yet, but they are in our Facebook group, okay? And so you can see where people are earning, okay? And you also see different things here, whether these particular, which are called units, okay, that we have to complete to get, they are placed there so that you will understand what is going on in the group, and so you won't miss out, okay? Just like what it says about with the announcements. Sometimes we have announcements, and so it's very crucial that you, when you first get into these, to the particular our Facebook group, is that you go through the units, okay? Because then you kind of understand how the business works, okay, and how the group works, okay? So let me go back. All right, then, so like I said, you go step by step. Then you want to register as an affiliate. Click onto that, okay? And it's going to show you how to register as an affiliate. Now, why would you want to register as an affiliate? Well, because you want to make money, because that's what's going to happen. You are going to get a link, right? And you'll be able, and a website, and you will be able to promote SSM by registering as an affiliate. So it's very important that you, when you first start, to register as an affiliate. And this is how you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid by your commissions, okay? So it's very important to set yourself up for success, okay? It's very important to set yourself up so that you can get the commissions for becoming an affiliate, okay, for promoting the product, okay? So let me go back. Let's see here. Let me go back to the members area. And let me see if I can show you some of our training. This is the bronze training. Okay, you're gonna have some assets. If you go to the bronze, it's gonna talk about different things. You know, you have to download the PDF file. Okay, for that. And she's gonna Miss Amanda Way. She's gonna go all in on how to set your Facebook settings. Okay, and I'll just kind of give you a little go at the
Okay, so here's the information on what you actually need to do as far as the Facebook settings, okay? So we're gonna go into settings and we're gonna update you.
So it's very important that you follow exactly what she says in these series of videos, okay? It's very important. You know, Facebook, the fail-proof traffic video. So you have to follow all these videos, watch all these videos. As you can see, the videos are kind of long, okay? 48 minutes, right? Okay, so you have to watch these videos. A lot of people, they purchase programs and they don't follow instructions. They don't follow the training. It's very important. If you want to be successful in any type of business, you must follow the training. Okay, so let's go back to the members area. All right, let's go into silver. Okay, and lots of times, and I'm gonna just stop here, you're gonna have different types of training for the silver, okay? Also, when you become when you purchase the silver package, you're also gonna get a custom digitized postcard. It's basically for advertising, okay? So there are a number of other different things that are in the particular program. And one of the things I want to also share too is that we have success coaches. Uh, Now, before I get to that, let me go back. Let me go to step 3. Increase your commissions. Now, you might like to say, well, what's that mean? Okay, increasing your commissions. When you come in and you promote SSM, okay, you're going to get 30% on commissions. But if you do the daily activities, okay, the income producing activities, you're going to earn 50% commissions. Okay, so right here it tells about all this here. Let me see. Let me click here.
Okay, everyone, welcome back to Successful Solution Method. And what we're going to do is discuss the income producing activities. We're going to talk about why they're so important and how it's going to benefit you for the long term. So with Successful Solution Method, we put together income producing activities because we want people to really build a business. Not only that, learn how to do it the right way, and also be able to have a sustainable business. When you are online, there are certain things that you're going to need to learn in order to be successful, in order.
Okay, so just give you a sneak peek of that, okay? And so you'll go down here, and so once again, we're gonna have training. We have weekly webinars as well, okay? And we also have traffic packages, okay? And so, and you have to click on here and kind of explain what's going on with that. You got to get high traffic, quality traffic, okay, with SSM, okay? And so these are the price ranges to get warm leads. These are warm leads. These are not cold leads, but these are warm leads to get advertisement, okay? So to get 125 leads, it's 250. To get 175, that's 350. And to get 225 leads, there's it will cost 550. Now look, to run any type of online business, you're going to need traffic, okay? You're going to need eyeballs to see your product or your service, okay? And so you're going to need traffic. So this is 3 ways to purchase our traffic, okay? So let me go back. There we go. And once you do that, you go to step 4. You claim that traffic package, okay? That's one of the income producing activities. Another income producing activity is going through the training. We have weekly live trainings. So that is an income producing activity. Coming to the webinars is an income producing activity. The next step you will do when starting SSM is you actually set up an appointment with your success coach, okay? With your success coach. And this is the area where you go and set up a meeting with one of our success coaches, okay? And let's go back. And then lastly, you not only join our Facebook group, but we also have a Telegram group that you will join. This is an area to where that you kind of interact with your fellow affiliate members, okay? And you may strategize, we may talk about things, we may share experiences, different things like that, okay? So, and so let me stop my share. So that's just a sneak preview of how a successful solution method works, okay, guys? So it's very important that I thought that I will share with you um, a little bit about SSM. It has helped me a whole lot. I've learned a whole lot. Um, and I made some money. I made some progress. I've been in the particular program for about a little over about 2 months and a half. Okay, and I've made $950. So to each his own. This is a very good product business to be in. Okay, and I encourage you to check it out. Okay, check it out and see for yourself. But once again, you have to follow instructions. You have to be a person that is teachable. Okay, and so I really thank y'all so for just coming to my channel and checking out SSM. And so if you have a question or what you think about it, what you think about the program, let me know. And right down below, okay? Let me know. And so I'll see y'all. I so thank you for watching my program. I so thank you. God bless. I'm out.